Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Cloudflare Workers used for affiliate redirects, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Cloudflare account. Navigate to the dashboard of the website where the workers are installed. Locate the Workers section in the left-hand menu. Click on Workers to see a list of your active workers. Identify the specific worker that you want to uninstall. Next, click on the name of that worker to open its settings. Look for the Delete option, typically positioned at the bottom of the settings page. Click on the Delete button. A confirmation prompt will appear to ensure that you want to proceed with the deletion. Confirm the action by selecting Delete again. After successfully deleting the worker, return to the worker's dashboard. Check to ensure that the worker is no longer listed among your active workers. If the worker had routes assigned, navigate to the Routes section. Locate any routes that were associated with the deleted worker. Remove those routes to ensure they no longer redirect traffic. Click on the route you want to delete, then select the Delete option. Confirm the route deletion in the prompt that appears. Once all routes have been removed, double-check your website to ensure everything is functioning correctly. You should now have completely uninstalled the Cloudflare worker used for affiliate redirects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.